Hello guys and welcome to this video tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create a Shopify store. I will guide you through setting up your online store, customize it, adding products, and some SEO tips to help you store and rank better in search engines, alright? So let's get started. Now first let's talk about the Shopify. Shopify is a powerful and user-friendly e-commerce platform that uh, enables you to create and manage your own online store, right? Where you are selling physical products, digital products, or services, Shopify offers all the tools that you need to run your business online efficiently, right? So first thing you need to do is go into shopify.com and create an account here. In order to do this, you need to go to Start Free Trial. So as this video is for the beginners, let's go into run it with the guidelines that we got here. So let's get started, but I'm just starting. Okay, then click on next. And then here we are going to choose our preference or the products that you're going to sell in your online store, right? So based on the business model that you're going to choose, perhaps you're going to need online marketplaces, or if you already have a business, an existing website, or social media, okay, it depending of your needs. For this example, I'm going to do it with an online store, okay, where we're going to create a fully customized website. So the next option that we have here is to sell digital products, services, drop shipping. That drop shipping also have multiple options to connect with the third parties like SendDrop or something like that. Okay, or products that I buy or make myself. Okay, or even print on demand products. That this is really interested. So for this example, let's going to do it for our own and the products that I buy or make myself. Okay. Depending on the option that you choose, okay, you will need to set up um, the delivery, the third-party connection, and these kind of things. So let's click on next. And here you're going to choose your country, in this case, in Spain. Now we're going to use our social media or create an account with an email. All right, so I'm choosing my email, Google Mail account, and we're here seeing that it's building our store. So the first thing that you need to do is to choose a plan, all right? Shopify have different plans, okay? So in order to do this, let's go to select a plan here, okay? And here we got multiple options. So for the best thing for the beginners, the best option is to select the basic plan. And here we got the rate starting, this kind of thing, the inventory locations, okay? So let's go to select the basic. In here, we are gonna do, we need to fill the payment method, all right? We can choose a credit or debit card, or also we can choose the PayPal account. Once you add your payment method that I made with PayPal, you will need to choose your street and house number and also the postal code in order to calculate the taxes that you need to pay for it. Then the next step is to fill the subscription form, your first name, last name, phone, the street, postal code, city, and province. Okay. Once this is done, you need to confirm the business address. After filling your payment methods and the address that you need to fill, all right, the next step is to go to here to online store. And as you can see here, it says that your online store is password protected. Means that nobody can enter in my website and nobody can do a purchase. All right. So we need to remove the password here. Once this is done, we have a full online store already done for use it. Okay. So in here, you can see the view store. Okay. And this is how it looks like. Of course, we need to do some work here. Okay. But basically, this is how it looks like. And then you need to uh, purchase a domain because this is a temporary domain from Shopify. Okay, it's not very friendly. In order to do this, we need to come back to the dashboard, then navigate here to settings, and then we got here the domains, this one. All right, so from here we can make a purchase of new domain or connect existing one if you purchase your own domain in another site. Okay, so for example, just click on it and let's make an example here like my online store. All right, and it's going to show you that it's not available. For example, this one, testing online store, is available for purchase. Okay, so you need to buy the domain and then connect it. Okay, the next step is adding your products. Okay, so in order to do this, we got the dashboard and we need to click on products here. Then we are going to do the add the first product that we have, for example, like this. So we got multiple options here in order to customize the product that you're going to sell in your online store. All right. So I'm going to fill it quickly so you can check an example. Then here we got the magic. Okay, let's explain what is exactly each field that we just created. Okay, the first thing is the title. Okay, title is really, really important to fill it correctly. All right, because the SEO, okay, the search engine of the Google are going to look for the keywords of about the product that you're going to sell. Okay, so for example, this one is completely generic. Based in the product that you're going to sell, you should have to type it here correctly. For example, in this case, Goku t-shirts. All right. So we got here the description, okay, and inside the description also you will need to, or at least it's really recommended to fill it with the keyword like Goku t-shirt, okay, again here Goku t-shirt, okay, because this is the keywords that Google are going to look for and place it in the first results. All right. Then we got here the media. Okay, we just need to upload the product itself, and then I really recommend, for example, uh, in the front and then also in the back, for example, in this case. Okay, and then also we got here the categories. Okay, we can choose multiple categories that already exist in Shopify. In this case, t-shirts. Then we got here the pricing. The pricing is the price that you're going to sell, of course, the product itself. All right. So the final price for the end user is $10 or 10 years in this case. And the comparative price is 20. What it means? It's supposed to that this have a discount, okay, of the 50%. Means that this price is going to be closed out, and this is the final price. Okay, and this is for your own. Okay, this is the cost per item. Means that if you're going to do your billing, then you will need to know how is the cost per item that you create. All right. So for example, this one is $5. So the profit is going to be $5 or €5. Okay. Then we got here the inventory. We can choose these options depending on your needs. Okay. I don't really recommend to click on this option because if you're out of stock, the people are going to continue to buying your products. And if you have not stock, then it's not a good idea to sell products without stock. All right. Then we got here the shipping. Okay. Shipping is very important because also we got here to calculate the taxes and the delivery cost of to your customers. So you need to weigh the product weight and the country where it's coming from. You got here where the product was manufactured or assembled. Okay, and we got here the variants, like for example colors, or also you can choose a size, material, styles. I choose color. Okay, then if you want to, for example, um, sell the product by color, by size, and you have different price of the main one, that is here, the price $10. Okay, for example, you can type here, for example, 15. Okay, in this one, for example, 20. Okay, based on the product itself. I mean, if you really need to increase the price because have more options or because the color is I don't know different or something like that, then you can set the price here. And then we got here the search engine listing. This is completely important. Okay, as I mentioned it before, you will need to type here the title of the product itself, and also you need to type it here as well and set the keywords for Google. Then we can have to come back here. Okay, and then we got here the product organization. And I'm going to explain you what is this. So the product type means it's a way to create a custom category for a product. Okay, is to let you define the product categories or other than ones that are available in Shopify standard product categories. Okay, so a product can be have only one custom product type. Okay, then the vendor can be the manufacturer, the wholesaler, or other vendor for the product. Okay, in this case, we are the custom because we are creating this product from ourselves. Okay, then we got here the collections. I created a collection here, like Dragon Ball. Okay, but in order to do this, for example, if you type here collection one, okay, this one doesn't exist. So you need to create that collection, name it collection one. In order to do that, you need to click in here. Let's go to open link in the new tab. And here we got the title, the description, the image if you wish, okay, and also the search engine listing. Most of the cases in when you are creating your product, when you're creating your home page and these kind of things, okay, you need to be aware about the search engine listing. It's completely important, right? So I'm going to show you an example already created. Let's go to collections, and I created here the Dragon Ball collection. Okay, so as I said, here you got the title, we got the description, and we got the CEO. Okay, and also the image for Goku. All right, that's it. Let's go back, and then the tags could be searchable keywords that you can associate with your product and help the customers to find your product, your live store search. Also, you can use them to create an automatic collection. Okay, so let's go to create another tag like Dragon Ball. Right, let's go to add it, and there we got 3 t-shirts. All right, so let's go to save it, and that's it. We already created out the first product in on online store. Okay. Let's go into view it so you can see how it looks like. Okay, and this is the price that I showed you before. The final price is $15. Okay, the description, the media, and this is basically how it looks like and how the customers or the end user are going to see your products in your store page. All right, let's go to come back, and then now it's time to customize your them. Okay, in order to do this, we have option here. No, sorry. Apologize, made a mistake. You got option here, line store, and then thems. Okay. And we got as default, we got popular free themes in order to choose how is the layout about our line store. Okay. So let's go into, for example, add this one. Now we need to wait for a little bit and install the theme. Now just add it. So let's go into customize. Okay, so this is the Shopify Builder where you can customize your pages. This is really similar as a WordPress, okay, installation and our Elementor and this kind of builders. So how you can customize and add sections, blocks, and this kind of things, okay? So for example, let's go into add an heading, okay? So this is Dragon Ball collection, all right? Then we got hidden size as medium, large, small. Okay. The good things from here is that every time you do a change, you're going to see also immediately, right? So let's go to make a description. Here we got the collection of Dragon Balls um, t-shirts. So again, here is really recommended to set the keywords that you want to place in Google. Okay, for example, the keyword Dragon Ball collection. Again, the t-shirts. Let's go to set Goku. This kind of things. Okay, helps to Google to understand your Shopify store and then place it in the first ranks. We also have options to padding bottom. Okay, it's like playing and customize as you wish. Also be aware that it's really important to customize for mobile layout. Okay, for example, if you type here, if you click on here in two columns or one columns about it, depending of the product that is focused in just one column or not, I really recommend to just one column for mobile. Okay, and here you got options to see it how it's going to look like. Okay, you see, I mean, there's no changes because we don't have another product here, but I really recommend this one. Okay. It's also considered to starting a blog on your store because right posts related to your products, industry, or niche can help to attract more visitors. Okay. So in order to do this, you got the blog post here option, and you can create a blog post here. Also, we got the pages, that is the contact, for example, the home, services, contact us, about us, and this kind of things. After customizing your website and create the pages and the blog posts that you wish to have in your store, okay, it's really important to set up the payment methods. In order to do this, you need to go to the settings and then payment. And as you can see here, Shopify supports various payment gateways like Shopify, Payments, PayPal, Stripe. It's just to set up the ones that best suit your needs. Okay. In this case, I did it with this PayPal account. Okay. Also be aware that you got a transaction fee. And anyway, if you want to have a summarize about what you need to do in order to complete your store 100%, if you go to the home, okay, this is the things that you need to do, all right? For example, or at least it's recommended to do. For example, create an offer discount. We have the option here to add a discount, set up a welcome email series, okay? I mean, it's just an automation. Learn about the social media strategy. Well, it's just tips, and let's suppose that is like a setup guide. Okay. And well, basically, this is the final result. Of course, the layout is as a common by default, but here we got the product that we just created. Okay, if you click on it, you're going to see the final result. Okay. So basically, it's just to play with the multiple options that you have and the dashboard, okay, and that you can create a really nice uh, online store. And that's it. You have successfully created a customized your Shopify store. That remember that continuously optimize your store and add a new products to keep your customers engaged. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with your new Shopify store.